Medical Device Intelligence Insights, Report Q4 2023 to Q3 2025. The concentration of citations in CGMP, 90%, reveals regulators remain mainly focused on how devices are made, rather than issues related to packaging or clinical trial conduct. Total, quarterly, CGMP citations. The threefold spike in Q1 2025 signals, either a major inspection event, deteriorating compliance culture, or accumulated issues coming to light simultaneously, suggesting reactive rather than proactive quality management. As shown here, quality procedures. Accounting for over half of all citations indicates systemic issues with how work is defined, documented, and controlled rather than isolated technical failures. This indicates core quality systems themselves, the how-to guides and the review processes are fundamentally flawed. The concentration of citations in misbranding, adulteration, and website violations points to regulatory communication and marketing compliance gaps that could expose the company to warning letters or consent decrees. The erratic packaging, clinical pattern with sudden spikes, suggests these issues are being caught through external triggers, like FDA inspections or consumer complaints, rather than internal quality surveillance. Regulators are actively policing how companies represent their products to the public, making marketing and online claims a significant compliance risk. The top three subsystems, design controls, records, corrective and preventive actions, represent the backbone of a functional quality system. Failures here are deeply systemic, indicating that companies are struggling with the core Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle of quality management. The Q1 2025 explosion across multiple subsystems simultaneously indicates either a comprehensive FDA inspection that uncovered widespread issues or a confluence of problems that reached critical mass. This suggests regulators are shifting from low-hanging fruit to deeper, more complex failures in core areas. The dominance of complaint files violations exposes a critical vulnerability in post-market surveillance and customer feedback management that could prevent early detection of safety issues or product failures. This deficiency puts the company at risk of failing to meet regulatory obligations. Next, we see heavy emphasis on process validation failures, suggesting products may be reaching the market without adequate evidence. Manufacturing processes consistently produce safe and effective devices. Design controls leading the citation count reveals products are being developed and released with inadequate verification and validation, potentially allowing design flaws to reach patients and creating significant liability exposure. This front-end quality failure is the most expensive to remediate. The top four subsystems indicate a systemic breakdown in the end-to-end quality loop: clarity, confidence, compliance. Our baseline compliance assessment gives manufacturers a clear, data-driven snapshot of their current state against FDA requirements and industry best practices. Start with a quality system baseline compliance assessment and take the guesswork out of regulatory readiness.